Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6, and I will also be doing a setup process for the people that are wondering how you set up your brand new Apple Watch, either the Series 6, the SE, or even the Series 5, 4, and the other ones. So let's go ahead and begin. For the band, I did choose their new solo, solo series for their bands, where you don't have to, you just put it on right away. You select your size before you get it. And so I wanted to test it out. I did get the blue braided variant, so we will check this out as well. And for the watch color, I actually got the blue variant because I do have a blue 12 Pro, and so I wanted to have something that goes with the phone. So let's go ahead and check out the box real quick. The back portion right here, as you can see, it's a Series 6 blue aluminum case. I did get the 44mm variant, and it also just gives you some information, like includes Apple Watch, charging cable, power adapter sold separately, and all that stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. There is a little pull tab right here, so let's go ahead and pull this. Boom, and then pull this off and take all of that off. And boom, here's our box right here. So throw that to the side, and let's go ahead and check this out real quick. So we do have to pull these, I believe. And let's go ahead and pull that. I think. I've never unboxed an Apple Watch before, so I'm not really sure. Not really familiar with it. Usually I've used Galaxy watches, and so this is pretty new for me. So we do get this cool packaging right here, which is really nice overall. As you can see, we have all these different types of Apple Watches with all different kinds of, watch bands, and also the different colors. Like we have the gold color right here, the space gray, black, and then we also have blue right here, which I do have the blue variant right here, as you can see. That looks pretty nice. So let's put this to the side as well. And boom, here we go. We do get this cardboard under it, and so I guess we just have to take it off. And there's nothing inside of here, so that's just the extras inside there, so I don't really feel anything. So let's go ahead and put this to the side as well, and let's go ahead and come back to the Apple Watch. So we're gonna have to pull these little tabs right here. I guess that's how you do it. And then we also have one right here. We can boom. Now let's also rip this one off. Boom, and throw this to the side as well. And let's go ahead and check out the Apple Watch. So come on. Boom. So nothing on the top portion, so we can put this to the side as well. And we are revealed with the Apple Watch right away. So it's in this cool little leather sleeve. This might not be leather, but it is a cool sleeve. And then we also have designed by Apple in California. So let's go ahead and check this out first. We probably do get some stuff inside of here. Yep, some instructions, and then also some other things. So none of these are important. So you can check this out if you are using a Apple Watch for the first time. Put that to the side, and then we also get our charging cable right here. We do not get a power brick. That is sold separately. I did go ahead and purchase one so that I could use it, and if you don't have one, you're gonna need to purchase it as well. So let's pop the Apple Watch out and check this out. So we have this cool sleeve. It says 44mm on the back, and then I guess we just push it out. Okay, if I can manage to take it out, and boom. So here we go, we have our Apple Watch right here in this cool blue color. Let's put that down, put this back, and throw that to the side as well. So this looks really nice, the blue color, and I think I will like this color. So let's go ahead and turn it on right away. We gotta hold down the power button, and let's go ahead and wait a little more. Unless I'm doing something wrong here. Everything should be going well. So I don't think my Apple Watch has any juice in it, so I'll go ahead and get this charged. But before we do that, let's go ahead and check out the watch band. So pull this right here. And also, when you're buying your watch band, Apple provides this really nice thing. There's a little printout that you can print, and then after that, you are able to check out your watch size, so you don't have to deal with any of that once you get it. So let's try and open this. If I can manage to. Okay, from here, boom, and just pull this out, and we have our watch band right here. So I'll pull this right here. And sorry for that background noise. And boom. Okay, so it goes ahead and gives you some instructions with the metal tab facing the back of the watch, slide band in, and then to put on and take off, pull the bottom and stuff. So that's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and pull this real quick. Try to get this out of here. Boom. And we have our watch band right here. So that is pretty neat. It does feel pretty nice as well, and I believe I will like this a lot. So let's go ahead and check this out again with the metal tab facing the back of the watch. So let's do that. Our metal tab is going to be right here, this one right here, and we're going to be sliding it in like this. Okay, this side clicked in, and then we also have this side right here. If I can manage to get it in there. Okay, and boom. So it clicks in right away, and that is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out real quick. I did get a size 7, and right there. So it fits really comfortably. I'm gonna go ahead and shake my arm a little bit, and so far, no budge. It's really nice. I'll just bring it down like this. That's where I usually place it. And overall, this looks really nice, and it feels really nice as well. So let me go ahead and get this charged up real quick, and once I do that, we will go ahead and check out the setup process. So I went ahead and connected the watch to the charger. I did have to wait a little until it got some juice so it could turn on, and so now we can go ahead and begin the setup. So as you can see, as soon as I brought my phone to the Apple Watch, it already gave you like this setup process right here, similar to the AirPods if you ever owned AirPods, and so we can go ahead and do it right through here. But if not, and this does not pop up for you, you're gonna go ahead and download the watch app. It should already be downloaded unless you did delete it once you started using your phone, but if not, go ahead and download it from the App Store and click on it. So let's go ahead and get on here, and it says start pairing right away. So let's go ahead and click start pairing, and then you can choose setup for myself, setup for a family member. I'm gonna go ahead and do setup for myself. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and scan the Apple Watch real quick. So let's go ahead and scan it, and now it has detected it, and we can say set up Apple Watch. So now that we're doing that, oh, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and choose our wrist preference. So generally I do use my Apple Watch on my left arm, so I will go ahead and click left. And then now it's getting some things set up for it. So it's gonna allow you to use it with a left-handed variant, I guess, if you use it on your left hand. And then if you use it on your right, it's gonna set it up for that as well. So connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment, so let's go ahead and wait for that. And while we're doing that, we can see that the Apple Watch has started setting up, and it's just showing you some things right here. 44mm aluminum case, designed by Apple in California. So let's go ahead and let this sit, and let's wait a little bit so that this can connect to the Apple Watch. So it is taking a little while, and boom, right there, agree to the terms and conditions so you can continue. Once we click that, signing into your account, this may take a few minutes. Let's go ahead and wait for it. So if it does take too long, I will go ahead and skip this portion, but if not, we will continue watching it. So I did take the band off. One thing that I don't like about this band that I've already noticed is that you cannot really just set down your Apple Watch straight down like this. It doesn't really tend to stay like that. It just like rolls over to the side, and so that is a little annoying, and this also does collect a lot of dust. But other than that, this new solo loop is really nice. So workout route tracking, we're gonna go ahead and enable that for me. Shared settings, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn all that on. This includes like Find My iPhone, and now we can go ahead and set the text size. So what we can do here is adjust it so that it's bold. As you can see, this is bold text right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off, and then you can also adjust the size. So this will make it smaller, this will make it larger. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it right here. This seems like a pretty good size, and I can perfectly see everything on the device right here. So let's set this down again and click continue. Apple Watch passcode. So I will set a password. You can add a long passcode as well, so this will be something longer. You could like have a lot more numbers, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the 4-digit pin. So create a passcode. I will go ahead and type it now. Okay, and boom, I have gotten my passcode ready. Okay, so now we can go to our setup activity. If you want to do this, you can go ahead and skip these as well. I already have my stuff right here, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. And then let's just go ahead and set move goal, set exercise goal, set stand goal, and all that stuff. Let's just keep that there for now. Keep your Apple Watch up to date, so continue. We will have our updates going automatically. You could also do that manually, as you can see right here. Let's go ahead and go back one more. Back. I will go ahead and continue, and sorry, I went back a little more. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. So what this does is this will automatically update your Apple Watch, and then you can also do it manually, as I said. We have Apple Pay. I will go ahead and continue. Actually, let's go ahead and set up later an Apple Watch. I'll do this later. This is your emergency SOS. So right here, you can go ahead and hold down the button, press and hold the side button to call emergency services if your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. This will also send a message to your emergency contacts. So if there's an issue, if something happens, you can go ahead and set that up right there. Clock faces. And then this right here will install all the available apps that you already have on your iPhone onto your Apple Watch, which is really nice. So I'll go ahead and click install all. So this will go ahead and sync up everything right here, as you can see. Scroll down, digital crown, side button, display, Apple Watch basic. So it is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. So let's go ahead and wait for this. I will go ahead and skip this portion for y'all, and I will be back in just a minute. So it took a little while, took like around 5-10 minutes, but we finally got everything to sync onto the Apple Watch. So as you can see right away, we get onto this page right here. It asks you to click done, and then it says you can use your Apple Watch now, and it brings you to this right here. So you can see all the complications, notifications, app view, dock, general, display and brightness, Siri, all that stuff. So you can set up everything from here. You can also see your watch faces, which is really nice. There's a whole bunch right here where you can choose from, which is really nice overall. And then you also have a discover page, so you can have a user guide, get to know your Apple Watch Series 6 and what's new in Apple Watch OS. So all that stuff right there, which is really nice. The app is very easy to use, and you can see everything. So we do have our Apple Watch set up now. Your watch is ready. Please press the digital crown, which I will do right now. And okay, so we have our watch face right here. It's already given me one. And then we can also go ahead and go right there. We can see everything right here, messages, all that stuff. And then we can go to our home page, which brings up our dock. So let's go back to that. And then as you can see, we can go ahead and scroll right here. We can go ahead and check out everything, which is really nice overall. So it did get down and download some things that I did need. But other than that, overall, this is really nice. So we do have our watch faces, and to set them up on your watch instead of using the app, you just go ahead and press and hold. And then you can go ahead and choose, you can add a new one. So click new. And then you can go ahead and choose from all of these watch faces right here, which you will also be able to customize after as well. So overall, this is really nice, and so far I'm enjoying it, the user experience. I will go ahead and use this for a couple weeks, and then I will do a review video on what I think of this. But overall, so far it's going really great. And so this is how you go ahead and set up your Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the settings right here. As you can see, we have some complication settings, and then we also have some notification view right here. We also have an app view, which is really nice. I will go ahead and do a list view because I don't really like the grid right there. And then we also have some other stuff that you can change, like your passcode, sound and haptics, Siri, display brightness. And other than that, there isn't too much else, which is really nice because you really don't need all of that. So that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.